Questions you should ask Afa when you want to marry a woman. Typically, people will just go and ask, does she have good intentions for me? Or, people can also ask, Orea de Kwamma, right? But maybe you can get more detailed. Maybe you can even ask her herself. Ask her things like, Iteime, Kamalebe si akpwala akpụ. Have you slept with any of your family members? Have you slept with your pet dog? Man, I made a video and I was saying, if we can set up our spirituality systems, at least in this our generation, so that our children will enjoy, then maybe it's even good because the bag is alo more na just this my intermediary role where they play 10 mirrors. So many crazy things. So now she fit get good intentions for you, but a cool good guy, different spirits we they affected. Even a cool good from the dog where she probably fuck with, right? So many bullshit day nowadays. So when you want to go marry woman, like no be small thing. Girl go and ye jaka we na gwa hafa. If hafa ya aju n'isi. I never even talk to me. You ask him, alo adukwa bennia, alo adi bennia. Ke malo makana give one on when you make it. You would be the man as well. Feed be say you know even kwado too much. So more arapo ke da bagodi na ko go yan ke ko ta aya boy ko sisa ke we bia chotaba ke o me fi hota. If you enjoyed the insights that I share, you are going to find my book, Igommo 101, insightful. Igommo 101 is an introductory guide to Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality is pretty much all spirituality. Is the most pristine spirituality system that I see in the world. It's untainted, so check that out and leave a good review wherever you get it.